This is my chicken coop. What? Oh, Cricket was in the... We got the compost thing and she was sneaking over there. Good morning, Cricket. She's our new dog. We got her like 3 weeks ago. Rehomed. She's awesome. Working out really well. Knock on wood, here's the garden. It's doing good. Pumpkins, melons, tomatoes, cucumbers, peas, and all kind of lettuce. Juge's cool car. And these are the trees. These are some of the trees actually that I cut. And as you can see, you know, they're not, I don't know, it doesn't look like it's that much, but it was. And then all the way in the back, I don't know if you could see that, but all the way in the back, I still got some apple trees I gotta get to back there, and I gotta cut that up. That's apple tree wood, and you want to take that apple tree wood and definitely save it for cooking, because it really gives it a good flavor when you do that, and it cooks for a very long time. Break it up in little pieces. It's just fantastic. You can actually sell it. I don't do it. I just save it for when we throw food on the grill. A little bit of charcoal and a little bit of that wood. Fantastic. Yeah, that's it. The garage kind of messy right now. I'm not going in there. I got a car in there I'm working on, or attempting to work on. Within this week I'll have it going. And that's, yeah, Cricket at her finest. Yeah, there it is.